Here's a question I get asked a lot. Why do I drink green tea before a fasted workout? And does it actually do anything? Let's get something straight first. Green tea isn't a pre-workout, it's not a stimulant bomb, and it's not magic. What it is aligned. When you train in a fasted state, your body is already in a low-insulin, repair-friendly environment. That matters. Green tea fits into that environment without disrupting it. First, green tea has caffeine, but in a very different way than your coffee or energy drinks. It's a lower dose, slower, and paired with L-theanine. That combination is associated with smoother alertness, not spikes and crashes. So instead of forcing energy, it supports focus while you train. Second, green tea contains catechins, especially EGCG. This is where the research gets interesting. Dr. Michael Greger has broken down how these compounds are associated with improved fat oxidation and metabolic health, especially when insulin is already low. Translation: green tea doesn't override fat burning, it works with it. During a fasted workout, your body is already primed to use stored energy. Green tea appears to gently support that process, not interrupt it. Third, blood flow. Green tea consumption is linked to improved endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to dilate properly. That matters for exercise performance, oxygen delivery, recovery, long-term cardiovascular health. Better blood flow means your workout does more with the same effort. And here's the most overlooked benefit. Green tea doesn't break the fast. No calories, no insulin spike, no digestion load. So you stay in repair mode while you move your body. That's the entire philosophy of fasted training in the Natural Life Reset. Don't fight biology, support it. This isn't about optimization hacks. It's about removing friction. Green tea replaces sugary pre-workouts, artificial stimulants, chemical drinks that work against fasting. So the benefit isn't what green tea adds, it's what it removes. That's why I drink green tea during fasted workouts. Not to push harder, but to stay aligned.